What are the benefits of oregano leaf extract?
Oregano leaf extract is very similar to olive leaf, and that it has a three-pronged approach that makes it so beneficial. Number one, it supports white blood cell activity. Our white blood cells are what kill the bacteria, bad bacteria and viruses, so it supports that white blood cell activity and production that will help keep us healthy. Number two, it has actual antimicrobial and it has actual abilities to kill viruses and bacteria. So when there's a lot of that in our system, we're actually killing the bad bugs. So not only is it supporting our white blood cells in a general way, it has specific antimicrobial activity in a more specific way. And then the third thing, it's a great antioxidant. Antioxidants are nutrients like vitamin C that decrease free radical damage in our system. So when we're living, we're breathing, whatever we do, we're creating free radicals. That's what hits our cells, breaks us down, causes degeneration, basically causes aging. And oregano oil extract has the ability to help decrease that degeneration process. So white blood cell activity, antimicrobial, amazing antioxidant.
Love
Yeah, it's great.
it. Stay young forever.
Forever.